Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to change the perspective in Affinity Photo for simple image manipulations, such as replacing a picture in a room. First, add the background and the oil painting into Affinity Photo. You can download the images from Pexels and Wikipedia for free. Note the difference between the two images. One is flat, while the other in the background is distorted in perspective. Draw some lines with the selected pen tool. We will use the lines to align the new image and change the perspective. Change the draw mode to line. I change the color and the width of the line to make it easier to see. Draw a second line at the bottom of the picture. Roughly position the new picture. You can activate the snapping function to make positioning easier. Adjust the size to fit approximately. Change the opacity if you want. Now distort the image to adjust it to the perspective of the background. You can select the appropriate command from the nested menu. However, I find it easier to select the tool directly on the right-hand side. Optionally activate the display of the grid. Select the corner points and move them to skew the image and change the perspective. Press Enter to close the dialog and apply the changes. Hide the curves in the Layers tab and change the opacity back to 100%. That doesn't look perfect. I've been a bit sloppy, but that's not a problem. It's easy to correct. It looks really good now. I am satisfied. Press Ctrl+0 for zoom to fit. So this was my video on how to change the perspective of an image in Affinity Photo. I hope you like it. See you in the next one.